So it's really beautiful out today, and I thought before I went home for the night that I would just go for a nice little walk and also announce that we are now past the halfway mark of vlogging every day in April, and I wanted to do a giveaway. So I figured I'd do my walk. I hope it's not too windy and you can hear me. I'd do my walk and I'd explain how the giveaway is going to go. So what I need for you to do is to share this video for the giveaway, and you have from now until the close of Friday to share it, and then come back to my channel and let me know that you did share it. So on the close of Saturday, I'll go over to your channel and I will check to see if the video is there and that you shared it, and that will complete one entry. So if somebody comes onto the giveaway from your share of this video, that gives you another entry. So if you have 3, 4 people, 1 person who saw this video from what you shared, then that's an entry. 1 entry for you sharing it, and then 1 entry for each person that saw this video through your share. If you're here because you saw this video on somebody else's channel and you're coming to enter, let me know who you saw the video share from so that I can credit them for the entry, and also you can get entered by your comment. Make sure you share this video from now until the close of Friday. Any shares on Saturday won't count, and then on Sunday I am going to show what the giveaway is, and then I'm going to do the drawing right on film so that you can see who the winner was.